Okay, so we're on a job right now. It's a BI-36. It's only a few years old, not very old, but the condenser fan motor went bad, and it's the one with the shaft, different kind of blade. So in order to fix this, you're going to have to use a different blade, which I carry these black blades around with me all the time. Just because I don't usually carry these Panasonic condenser fan motors with the different shaft. So I always carry this as a backup. So here's the old one. Just took it out. This is what I mean, see? So, let us see. Paper towels. There's nobody home today. This is a rental house. So what we're going to do is we're going to take this Whirlpool 2-watt condenser fan motor, which I use in a pinch when I don't have the right motor, because it's quiet. And if you check my video on the different condenser fan motors and their speeds and noise levels and all that, I do have a video about that. It would be in your interest, if you're a tech, maybe to check that out. So I'm going to pre-drill these. Okay, let's see, we need this. These are self-tapping screws here, so this will cut the threads and make it a lot easier to install once we get the fan motor in position. So when I first got here, I opened up the door. There was a lot of moisture up on the top wall, top of the doors of the refrigerator, and then I did a diagnostics code by pressing the cold key and then the power key, and they came up with two codes, 40 and 50, excessive runtime. And just put my hand up on the top, and I couldn't feel any air blowing out there. So once I took the cover off, I could see the fan motor wasn't turning. I didn't film that, but that's what it was. So I'm going to take this blade here, which is also in my other video. This is going to have a part number on it. If you're a tech, you should carry these, but these are great in a pinch when you can't get the right number. 701-4653. That's this blade. Goes on there. Here's the. Now normally we put a little rubber bushing on here. It doesn't come with one, but because it's a plastic blade, we won't get that tinny sound, that tinny metal sound. Okay, now we're going to cut this harness off of here and use our wire nuts and join it together. Doesn't have to be that long. This is alternating current, so it doesn't matter which wire you put where. It's going to be alternating. Now, I'm not sure, but I don't remember. I don't see a ground wire on this original fan motor. Since it's plastic based, maybe that's the reason why, but since we're putting in the metal one, then we should probably try to use this ground wire. Alright, so now we have 3 screws, we have this, and we have this. I don't know if that's going to work, but we want to get this in here like this. This is the process line for the refrigerator compressor. Move that out of the way. It's going to be a little tricky because these compressors are burning hot. When I say burning, I mean burning. Ouch, 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 ouch. Oh. Okay, I don't know if this is going to work because it's not magnetic. So what we're going to have to do is either magnetize it, and I haven't really been having very much luck with my magnetizer. There it is. Okay, magnetize. Let's see if this is going to work. No. Alright, in that case, we have to go to Plan B. I can just find my silicone grease somewhere in here. I think that's it in here. This stuff is also referred to as sticky grease. See if that works. Up. I guess it didn't work. That's just going to make it my life more difficult here. Okay. Let's see if we can get this in here. Stay in there. sitting in there. Now let's see if we can make it work. Ouch, ouch, ouch. All right, that's kind of started. But now I got to get that back one in there. And I think that's going to be the hardest one. I can just find that other screw. 1, 2. Those are the wrong ones. All right, let's try something creative. Of course, I can't see what I'm doing here, but I just caught it. That's a real relief. It's still not tight enough. My hands are wet, so right, that's it. Now let's hook up the harness. Ouch. Okay, here's the harness. Okay, that's in. Now, I don't think that ground wire is going to work because I don't see any place to screw it into. So we're going to have to do an extension, make an extension, and screw it in somewhere else. Because every electrical component that is metal should be grounded. And the reason why the original one wasn't is because it's plastic. Okay? So we'll take a piece of wire, see if I have a piece of wire in here. There's another ground wire. I don't think that's long enough. Here's another one. It's not long enough. So I have some wire somewhere. There it is. Okay. So we're going to connect this to the bottom one. Yep. Don't you just love a challenge? Love a challenge. This is supposed to be a simple job, and it's taking me longer. Most guys would not go through the trouble of putting this ground wire up. But that's not you, right? Don't you want to do the job right? Show your competitors how it's done. Calls for a ground wire. Put it in. There she goes. Okay, we got that. And what we need now is just to hook up this ground wire somewhere. And all right, that should do it. Let's power this up and get that little screw there, and that one here, these three here. All right, let's power it up. And this cover here slides into these little tabs here like this. That holds the control board from flopping around. So then you just put Okay, it needs a water filter, needs light bulbs. Oh, doesn't want to come off. All right, folks, we are done with this job. I just have to write up an invoice and we'll be on our way. I will see you on the next one.